To effectively utilize the Etoro Watchlist, it is crucial to understand its purpose and how it can enhance your trading experience. The watchlist is a tool that allows you to monitor a selection of financial instruments, such as stocks, commodities, and currencies, in one place. This enables you to track their performance, identify trends, and make informed decisions about your investments. First, you should populate your watchlist with assets that align with your investment goals and risk tolerance. This can include a mix of low and high-risk instruments to diversify your portfolio. For instance, you might add a combination of established companies like Apple and Amazon, alongside newer or more volatile assets like cryptocurrencies. Once you have added assets to your watchlist, you can customize it to display the information that is most relevant to you. This can include current prices, daily changes, and technical indicators like moving averages and relative strength index. By tailoring your watchlist to your needs, you can quickly identify opportunities and potential risks. Another key feature of the Etoro Watchlist is the ability to set price alerts. These alerts notify you when an asset reaches a specified price, allowing you to react promptly to market movements. For example, if you are interested in buying a stock when it falls to a certain price, you can set an alert to inform you when this happens. To maximize the benefits of your watchlist, it is essential to regularly review and update it. This involves removing assets that are no longer aligned with your strategy and adding new ones that offer potential for growth. By actively managing your watchlist, you can ensure that it remains a valuable tool in your investment journey. Best practices for using the Etoro Watchlist include diversifying your assets, setting realistic goals, and staying informed about market trends. It is also important to avoid emotional decision-making and to base your investment choices on thorough research and analysis. By following these guidelines and leveraging the features of the Etoro Watchlist, you can enhance your trading skills and work towards achieving your financial objectives.